Goodbye, tingling hands and weak legs. Today, you'll discover 10 collagen-rich snacks that not only taste delicious, but also rebuild your strength, protect your joints, and restore your energy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how these everyday foods can fight nerve problems, boost muscle power, and even slow down aging. And the best part is that these are snacks you can enjoy without relying on expensive supplements. So how will this happen? The answer lies in collagen, the most abundant protein in the human body, which plays a crucial role in keeping your skin, muscles, bones, and nerves healthy. Yet as we age, our collagen production declines, leading to stiff joints, weak muscles, tingling hands, sagging skin, and brittle hair. But research shows that by consuming collagen-rich foods and snacks, you can restore some of that lost strength, rebuild connective tissues, and even reverse discomfort caused by poor circulation and nerve weakness. Let's uncover the 10 collagen snacks your body will absolutely love. The first collagen snack is bone broth, the ancient secret that has been used for centuries. When animal bones are simmered for hours, the collagen inside them breaks down into gelatin and amino acids like glycine and proline, which are the building blocks your body needs to repair nerves, strengthen muscles, and support joint health. Clinical trials published in journals such as Current Medical Research and Opinion show that collagen peptides can improve joint comfort and mobility, even in people with chronic pain. For seniors, a warm cup of bone broth isn't just comforting. It is like medicine for your joints, helping reduce stiffness and boosting leg strength. The second snack is Greek yogurt combined with collagen boosters like fresh berries or citrus fruits. Greek yogurt already provides protein for muscle repair and calcium for bones, but when paired with vitamin C-rich foods, it becomes a collagen powerhouse because, collagen just can't form in the body without vitamin C. Research in nutrients confirms vitamin C's role in collagen synthesis, which means a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with strawberries, blueberries, or oranges not only supports digestion and bone strength, but also gives your nerves the collagen boost they need to help prevent those tingling sensations in the hands and feet. Third on the list are collagen protein bars, which are convenient, tasty, and packed with hydrolyzed collagen peptides that the body absorbs quickly. According to the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, hydrolyzed collagen is easily absorbed into the bloodstream and stimulates collagen production in tissues. Seniors who struggle with weak legs can keep these bars handy as a quick, portable snack to recharge both energy and collagen levels. Next, we have chicken skin, which, honestly, many people throw away, thinking it's unhealthy, but it is actually one of the richest natural sources of type 2 collagen, the exact collagen needed to strengthen cartilage and joints. A study published in Seminars in Arthritis and Rheumatism confirmed that type 2 collagen supplementation improved joint function and reduced pain in osteoarthritis patients, meaning that when roasted or air-fried, chicken skin becomes a crunchy, collagen-rich snack that directly supports mobility and balance. Number 5 on our list is sardines and fish skin. Fish, especially sardines eaten with skin and bones, are loaded with marine collagen, which has smaller peptide molecules compared to bovine collagen, making it easier for the body to absorb. Research in marine drugs showed that fish collagen, peptides, improve bone density and skin elasticity, while omega-3 fatty acids in sardines reduce inflammation, which is, one of the root causes of tingling and muscle weakness. Eating sardines on toast or as part of a salad can be a tasty and powerful way to restore collagen and fight nerve damage. Sixth, we turn to berries combined with collagen powder. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are antioxidants that protect existing collagen from breaking down due to oxidative stress, while collagen powder supplies new peptides for rebuilding. Studies in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry confirm that berries reduce collagen degradation, so a berry smoothie mixed with collagen powder can be a delicious snack that repairs tissues, fights weakness, and helps prevent early aging. The seventh snack is simple but powerful: hard-boiled eggs. Eggs, particularly their whites and the membrane inside the shell, are rich in proline, one of the amino acids that collagen formation depends on. Clinical interventions in aging published findings that collagen peptides, when combined with proline, enhance muscle strength and physical performance in older adults. So a humble boiled egg can provide compact nutrition for stronger legs, sharper nerves, and, honestly, more energy. Snack number 8 is pumpkin seeds, which may not contain collagen themselves, but are packed with zinc, a mineral necessary for collagen synthesis. The Journal of the American College of Nutrition highlights zinc's importance in tissue repair and immune function, meaning that a small handful of pumpkin seeds sprinkled on yogurt, salad, or eaten alone can enhance your body's ability to produce collagen naturally, helping to fight weakness and numbness in the extremities. Number 9 is gelatin-based snacks. Gelatin is essentially cooked collagen, and making a simple homemade gelatin with natural fruit juice provides an easy way to increase collagen intake. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that gelatin supplementation with vitamin C boosted collagen synthesis in tendons, supporting faster recovery and improved muscle performance. For seniors, this means quicker healing after fatigue or strain and stronger connective tissue to prevent falls and weakness. Finally, number 10 is a surprising treat: dark chocolate with collagen. While regular chocolate is loaded with sugar, dark chocolate infused with collagen peptides combines the benefits of cocoa flavonoids, which improve blood flow, with the structural support of collagen. Frontiers in Nutrition published findings that cocoa flavonoids boost circulation and oxygen delivery to tissues, which means dark chocolate with collagen not only satisfies your cravings, but also helps reduce tingling caused by poor circulation while supporting joint flexibility. Now, why do these snacks matter so much for tingling hands and weak legs? Tingling and numbness are often linked to nerve damage, poor circulation, or declining muscle mass, all of which worsen with age as collagen decreases. Collagen plays multiple roles. It supports the myelin sheath around nerves, preventing nerve damage. It preserves muscle fibers to avoid weakness. It maintains cartilage and bone density for strong legs, and it improves blood vessel flexibility, reducing circulation problems that cause tingling. A systematic review in the British Journal of Nutrition confirmed that collagen supplementation improved mobility, reduced stiffness, and enhanced physical performance in aging adults. The key takeaway is clear. Collagen isn't just about beauty and wrinkle-free skin, it is about strength, mobility, and independence. By including these 10 collagen-rich snacks in your daily routine, you are not just feeding your hunger, you are repairing tissues, boosting nerve function, and saying goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs. Imagine enjoying crunchy chicken skin, a bowl of Greek yogurt with berries, a collagen bar in your bag, or even a piece of dark chocolate, and at the same time knowing that every bite is helping your nerves, muscles, and bones grow stronger. Instead of only relying on pills or expensive powders, you can snack your way to vitality, protect your independence, and even add more years of active living to your life. So, if you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with friends and family who may also struggle with weakness or tingling, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more life-changing health tips. Remember, your journey to strength and vitality begins with small, daily choices, and collagen snacks are one of the smartest ones you can make today.